welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Steam Tools games not showing in the library. So if you are also going through this kind of error as the games are not visible or not showing in your library, then go through the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to exit Steam, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. So you can simply click on the arrow icon over here and then right click on Steam and then select exit, or you can also exit from here. Click on Steam option, click on exit. So after restarting your Steam, now check if the game is showing or not. If not, you should run the Steam as administrator. So for that you have to go to the search option. Now here you have to search for Steam and now click on run as administrator, and after that check if the games are showing in the library or not. If not, next is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache and then confirm it. So this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam. Confirm. After confirming it, log into your Steam account using your username and password, and after that check if the games are showing or not. If not, next is to check for hidden game list. So you should ensure the games are not hidden. So you have to click on view option on Steam and then click on the hidden game. So here you will be able to see if some games are hidden over here. If not, move to the next method. Next is to go offline and then again online. So here you have to click on Steam option in the web section. You can see go offline mode. You simply have to click on it, and after that you will get again go online mode. So you have to do this, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to allow Steam through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security, and here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that here you have to click on change settings and then search for Steam over here. If so Steam is listed over here, simply have to select it and then click and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. After that launch Steam and then check if the Steam Tools games are showing or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.